Hey freedom seekers, are you ready to revolutionize your remote work life? In this video, we're diving into game-changing productivity hacks that successful digital nomads swear by. Whether you're working from Vietnam or Vientiane, these strategies will transform the way you work. Keep watching. Imagine completing your tasks before your clients even wake up. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's just one of the hacks we're exploring today. Let's dive in. I'm Vince, and today we're uncovering 5 powerful productivity hacks that will elevate your remote work game. These are tried and tested by digital nomads around the globe, and I'm excited to share them with you. The time zone advantage. First up, the time zone advantage. Instead of battling different time zones, use them to your benefit. If you're in Asia and your clients are in the US, you have a full day ahead of their morning. This means you can complete tasks before they even start their day. It's a game changer. Here's how to maximize this advantage. Front-load your workday. Start your day early in Asia to overlap with your US clients' previous evening. Schedule smart. Plan client meetings during your evening their morning for real-time collaboration. Buffer time strategy. Build in a 3-4 hour buffer zone for unexpected client requests. The 80-20th rule. Next, forget the old Pomodoro technique. The 80-20th rule is where it's at. Work in 80-minute focus blocks, followed by 20-minute recharge breaks. During breaks, step outside, switch locations, or grab a local coffee. This rhythm aligns with your natural energy cycles and keeps you fresh and productive. Location stacking. Now, let's talk about location stacking. Don't just work from anywhere, choose strategic locations. Start your day at a co-working space for maximum focus, then head to a trendy cafe for creative inspiration. In the afternoon, find a peaceful park or beach to work from, and finish the day at a bustling local spot. This strategy maximizes both productivity and enjoyment. The digital minimalist setup. You don't need fancy gear to be productive. Embrace the digital minimalist setup. Equip yourself with noise-canceling headphones, a project management app like Notion, a time zone converter, and a cloud backup system. Keep it simple and mobile. The power hour. Finally, the power hour is my secret weapon. Wake up 1 hour earlier than usual and use this time for planning your day, setting intentions, light exercise, and mindfulness practice. This sets you up for massive productivity all day long. If you're finding these tips helpful, consider smashing that subscribe button and ringing the bell for more insights every week. And if you're ready to level up your remote work game, start with just one of these hacks tomorrow. Try it for a week and watch your productivity soar. Don't forget to drop a comment below, sharing your favorite productivity hacks. I read and respond to every comment. Next week, we're talking about how to create a mind map online for free. You won't want to miss it.